The trek for the Vasudhara Falls starts from the Mana village. It's about 5 kilometers long. It's gradual towards the beginning. One person had camped at this particular site. What a place. So I'm still climbing. Just climbed about 2.5 kilometers. And the views are just amazing over here. These mountains are like almost 90 degrees steep. It's behind me. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. यही रहते हैं गुफा में? अच्छा अच्छा, ठंडी में भी रहते? आजकल नहीं रहता हूँ, आजकल 2-4 काफी। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। More about this Baba Sadhu in the next vlog. But this Maggie Point looked amazing. What views. One of the best place to have hot steaming Maggie. And the views continue. So the Vasudhara Falls has a lot of religious significance as well. The 5 Pandavas said to have passed through this particular place. This was their final journey on the way to heaven, and they passed the Mana village and this particular falls as well. And it's believed that the youngest brother, Sahadev, he gave up his body near the Vasudhara Falls, and therefore it has a lot of religious significance. So I have reached the Vasudhara Waterfall, and it's right in front of me. The place is amazing, but I'll just show you the waterfall. This waterfall is about 400 feet high, and as it comes down, it turns into mist. And it's believed that if the mist touches you, good luck, falls upon you. This is the last panoramic view of the place I took before ascending down. Now, ascent is one of the best parts of the hike, of any hike. It's really easy, makes the distance almost half, and you can enjoy the views more. So these are the last pictures I took. I'm going to bombard it in this video so that I can see them when I'm old.